Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is Monday, March 8th, 2021. We're talking all about kindness this week. Let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Go ahead and have a seat. Show me a great slant. Nice. I love that. You look awesome. We're talking all about kindness this week, and I have some slides I want to share with you and tell you 4 different parts of kindness. Okay? And I also want to tell you something else we're going to talk about this week that kind of goes with kindness and friendship. There's that word kindness. There's our virtue of the week right here in the middle. And we're going to do 2 things this week. We're going to practice showing kindness to each other, and we'll make sure that we're being very kind and nice, taking care of people's feelings. And then we're going to learn this other thing about kindness and about friendship that's kind of tricky, which is, when do you report something to your teacher? Like if somebody's not kind, when do you tell the teacher? We know we don't want to be a tattletale and tell every little thing, but some things are very important to tell because people are being unkind. So 2 things. Number 1, we're going to train ourselves to be really kind. Number 2, we're going to figure out, when do we tell an adult when someone else is not kind. Let's talk about the 4 different kinds of kindness we're going to think about this week. Number 1 is this kindness like you see in the picture. Look, he's taking care of this old lady. It says kindness is showing that you care. Doing some good to make life better for others. He's making her life better by helping her out. That's one way you can show kindness. Another way you can show kindness, kids are so good at this one, is showing love and compassion when somebody's sad or they need your help. So you see the one lady's sad and the other lady is telling her, like, this is okay. Well, it's going to be all right. Here's another one. Look at the mom with the baby. Kindness, it says, is treating yourself and others gently. You should be as gentle with yourself and as gentle with friends' feelings as a mom is with a baby. She's going to touch him so softly. She's going to give him a little kiss on the face. I'm not telling you to give your friend a little kiss, but your words and the way you treat your friend should be as gentle as that mom. That shows kindness. And number 4 goes with what Mrs. Tickle taught us last week during World Wildlife Week, is that caring about the earth and all living things is a way that you show kindness. You don't just show kindness to people. You show kindness to animals. You show kindness to the environment. I don't want to litter because that's hurting other people or hurting other animals or even hurting plants and other things in nature. So this morning I want you to talk about this. I'm going to put all 4 of those back up on the screen, and I just want you to share with your class, like, which one is your favorite? When you heard all 4 of those, which one made you think, yeah, I love doing that one? Maybe I love taking care of people when they're sad. Or maybe I love taking care of nature. Or maybe yours is, I love making other people's lives better. So I'll put all 4 of them up on the screen and you can have a chat. What is your favorite way to show kindness? Have a great day, Achieve.